Hello, my name is Randel D. Del Rosario and today I am going to discuss the capital gains tax in the Philippines. So what is the capital gains tax? So what is capital gains tax? Capital gains tax is a tax imposed on the gains presumed to have been realized by the seller from the sale, exchange, or other disposition of capital assets located in the Philippines. Paying your capital gains tax can be done through several convenient methods. You have the option to make payments in cash, by check, or through a bank transfer. If you file your capital gains tax return late, you could face a penalty of 25% of the tax due. So if you owe $1,000, you might have to pay an extra $250 just because it's late. Additionally, there's an interest charge of 20% per year on the unpaid tax. This interest starts from the due date and continues until you pay the tax in full. I'm going to give you an example on how capital gains tax work. Imagine a person, LB, who owns a piece of land. LB decides to sell this land at a profit. The sale of this asset will trigger a capital gains tax, which LB must pay to the government. LB purchased the land 10 years ago for the price of 2 million pesos. Recently, she sold the land for 5 million pesos. The difference between the selling price and the purchase price is the capital gain, which is subject to tax. So how will you calculate the capital gains tax? To calculate the capital gains tax, we subtract the original purchase price from the selling price. Selling price minus purchase price equal to capital gain. So 5 million minus 2 million equal $3 million, which equivalent to the capital gain tax. LB has realized a capital gain of 3 million from the sale of her land. In the Philippines, the capital gains tax rate on the sale of a property classified as a capital gain asset is generally 6% of the gross selling price or the current per market value, whichever is a higher assuming the selling price is higher. We calculate the capital gains tax as follow. So capital gains tax equals selling price times 6% or 0.6%. So capital gains tax equal to 5 million times 0.06%, which is the capital gains tax in the Philippines, equal 300,000 pesos. So LB must pay 300,000 pesos as a capital gains tax to the Bureau of Internal Revenue or the BIR.